कोई नहीं की है।
चैन ले लिया मैंने बेकरार करके, बेकरार करके, बेकरार करके दिल लगा लिया मैंने तुमसे प्यार करके, तुमसे प्यार करके, तुमसे प्यार करके। बीच सफर में कहीं मेरा साथ छोड़ के, तुझको कसम है नहीं हो जाना दिल तोड़ के।
कैसे मैं बताऊं तुझे कैसा मेरा हाल वे, जीना मरना है सब अब तेरे नाल वे।
तुझको पा लिया तेरा इंतजार करके, इंतजार करके, इंतजार करके दिल लगा लिया मैंने तुमसे प्यार करके, तुमसे प्यार करके, तुमसे प्यार करके। हे 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 आहा, हे 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 आहा। कसम खा के कहो, मुस्कुरा के कहो, दिल लगा के कहो, पास आके कहो, तुमको हमसे प्यार है, तुमको हमसे प्यार है, तुमको हमसे प्यार है, तुमको हमसे प्यार है।
शर्मा के कहो, बल खा के कहो, हाँ कहो न कहो, बस कहती रहो तुमको हमसे प्यार है, तुमको हमसे प्यार है, तुमको हमसे प्यार है, तुमको हमसे प्यार है। के कहो, हाँ कहो न कहो, बस कहती रहो। तुमको हमसे प्यार है, तुमको हमसे प्यार है, तुमको हमसे प्यार है, तुमको हमसे प्यार है। इतरा के कहो, झिलमिला के कहो, हाँ कहो न कहो, बस कहती रहो। तुमको हमसे प्यार है, तुमको हमसे प्यार है, तुमको हमसे प्यार है, हमसे प्यार है।
कसम खा के कहो, मुस्कुरा के कहो,
हाँ कहो न कहो,
पास आके कहो।
तुमको हमसे प्यार है, तुमको हमसे प्यार है।
पहले से ज्यादा तुम पे मरने लगा हूँ। मैं, मेरा दिल और तुम हो यहाँ, फिर क्यों हो पल के झुकाए वहाँ। तुम साहसी पहले देखा नहीं, तुम इससे पहले थे जाने कहाँ। जीने लगा हूँ पहले से ज्यादा, पहले से ज्यादा तुम पे मरने लगा। रहते हुआ के जो तुम पास मेरे, थम जाए पल ये वहीं, बस मैं ये सोचूं
मैं थम जाए
ज्यादा, पहले से ज्यादा दिल ठहरने लगा। तन्हाइयों में तुझे ढूंढे मेरा दिल, हर पल ये तुझको ही सोचे भला क्यों।
तन्हाई में ढूंढे तुझे दिल, हर पल तुझको सोचे। तन्हाई में ढूंढे तुझे दिल, हर पल तुझको सोचे।
मिलने लगे दिल पहले से ज्यादा, पहले से ज्यादा इश्क होने लगा।
तब से एक ना एक दिन छोड़ के मुझको जाएगा, लो गया दिल, दिल परदेसी हो गया, दिल, दिल परदेसी हो गया। हमने देखे प्यार के सपने, हम दोनों हैं दुश्मन अपने, हम दोनों को नींद न आई, सारा जग सो गया, दिल, दिल परदेसी हो गया, दिल, दिल परदेसी हो गया।
दिल का
जाने कहाँ खो गया,
दिल, दिल परदेसी हो गया,
दिल, दिल परदेसी हो गया। सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे पागल हुआ रे मैं, धीरे धीरे तेरी चुनरिया दिल ले गई। सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे पागल हुआ रे मैं, धीरे धीरे सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे पागल हुआ रे मैं, धीरे धीरे तेरी चुनरिया दिल ले गई, तेरी ये बिंदिया दिल ले गई। सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे पागल हुआ रे मैं, धीरे धीरे सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे पागल हुआ रे मैं, धीरे धीरे तेरी चुनरिया दिल ले गई, तेरी ये बिंदिया दिल ले गई। चुनरिया दिल ले गई, तेरी ये बिंदिया दिल ले गई।
ला 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 ला, ला ला ला।
हो हो आ, हा, तेरा मेरा जन्मों का नाता है, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता है, रिश्ते ये रब ही बनाता है, करके बहाने मिलाता है।
मेरी यादों में तुम, मेरी बातों में तुम, मेरी सांसों में तुम, मेरी राहों में तुम। बोले मेरी धड़कन धीरे धीरे, बोले मेरी तड़पन धीरे धीरे।
ओ बोले मेरी धड़कन धीरे धीरे, बोले मेरी तड़पन धीरे धीरे, तेरी चुनरिया दिल ले गई, तेरी ये बिंदिया दिल ले गई। सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे, पागल हुआ रे मैं धीरे धीरे, सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे, पागल हुआ रे मैं धीरे धीरे, तेरी चुनरिया दिल ले गई, तेरी ये बिंदिया दिल ले गई। पहले से ही तड़प रहा था और मुझे तड़पाए। जाने तमन्ना करना ऐसे सितम।
कुछ ना मैं बोलूं तुझे मेरी कसम, आए जवानी सर पे मेरे, तेरे बिन क्या करूं जवानी पे रहम। हाय आजा ना छुले मेरी चुनरी सनम, कुछ ना मैं बोलूं तुझे मेरी कसम।
चुनरी 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 चुनरी।
चिकने बदन से तेरे सर सर चुनरी सर के, ऐसा लगे कि बिन बादल अंबर पे बिजली कड़के।
चुनरी 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 चुनरी।
ये करता है ये बिजली मैं तुझ पे आज गिराऊं, तुझको भर लो बाहों में ये चुनरी तुझे उड़ाऊं।
बढ़ता ही जाए दर्द होना खत्म।
कुछ ना मैं बोलूं तुझे मेरी कसम, ओ आई जवानी सर पे मेरे, तेरे बिन क्या करूं जवानी पे रहम। हाय हाय आजा ना छुले मेरी चुनरी सनम, कुछ ना मैं बोलूं तुझे मेरी कसम, आई जवानी सर पे मेरे, तेरे बिन क्या करूं जवानी पे रहम। हाय आजा ना छुले मेरी
चाहूं बस चाहूं मैं चाहूं तेरा दीवाना बन गया जाने मन। तुझे बताऊं कैसे, हाँ कैसे मैं कैसे, तेरे लिए है पागल हर धड़कन। मेरे हंसी सनम आसा कर दे अब तो मेरी मुश्किल। हाय दिल मेरा दिल, हाय दिल मेरा दिल।
कब बन जाएगा तेरे काबिल मेरा दिल, हाय दिल मेरा दिल, हाय दिल।
किसी रोज तुमसे मुलाकात होगी, किसी रोज तुमसे मुलाकात होगी। मेरी जान उस दिन मेरे साथ होगी, मगर कब न जाने ये बरसात होगी। मेरा दिल है प्यासा, मेरा दिल अकेला, जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने आ मेरी महबूबा। मेरी तकदीर है तू मचल के सामने आ मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा। जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने आ मेरी महबूबा। Obla di di di, obla da da da, obla do do do, what to do?
Obla di dang di dang, obla da da da, obla do dang, we love you.
नहीं याद कब से मगर मैं हूँ जब से, मेरे दिल में तेरी मोहब्बत है तब से। मैं शायर हूँ तेरा, तू मेरी गजल है, बड़ी बेकरारी मुझे आजकल है, बड़ी बेकरारी मुझे आजकल है, मुझे आजकल है। जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने आ मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा। जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने आ मेरी महबूबा।
से लो आ गई है वो।
ओ ब्लडी डी डी ओ ब्लडा डा डा ओ ब्लड डू वी लव यू। भला कौन है वो हमें भी बताओ, ये तस्वीर उसकी हमें भी दिखाओ। ये किस्से सभी को सुनाते नहीं है, मगर दोस्तों से छुपाते नहीं है, छुपाते नहीं है। तेरे दर्द दिल की दवा हम करेंगे, न कुछ कर सके तो दुआ हम करेंगे, न कुछ कर सके तो दुआ हम करेंगे, दुआ हम करेंगे। तड़प कर आएगी वो, तुझे मिल जाएगी वो, तेरी महबूबा, तेरी महबूबा, तेरी महबूबा, तेरी महबूबा, तेरी महबूबा, तेरी महबूबा।
किसी रोज अपनी मुलाकात होगी, मेरी जान उस दिन मेरे साथ होगी, मगर कब न जाने ये बरसात होगी। मेरा दिल है प्यासा, मेरा दिल अकेला, जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने आ, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा, मेरी महबूबा।
प्यार दिलों का मेला है, प्यार दिलों का मेला है, फिर कोई क्यों अकेला है। प्यार दिलों का मेला है, फिर कोई क्यों अकेला है।
जाने क्या हुआ है, जाने क्या हुआ है, क्यों है जिया बेकरार, धड़के दिल बार बार।
मौसम बेईमान हुआ आज पहली बार, धड़के दिल बार बार।
जाने क्या हुआ है, क्यों है जिया बेकरार, धड़के दिल बार बार, हो धड़के दिल बार बार। जाना मैंने जाना, क्या है दिल लगाना, है जाना मैंने जाना, क्या है दिल लगाना, तुमसे मिलकर यार। क्या है चैन गंवाना दिल का, क्या होता है प्यार।
प्यार बड़ा अलबेला है, कभी तन्हा कभी मेला है। प्यार बड़ा अलबेला
शर्मिला, बड़ा शर्मिला है मेरा दिलदार, धड़के दिल बार बार।
मौसम बेईमान हुआ आज पहली बार, धड़के दिल बार बार। जाने क्या हुआ है, क्यों है जिया बेकरार, धड़के दिल बार बार। ओ हो धड़के दिल बार बार।
तूने ओ हसीना है दिल मेरा छीना, तूने ओ हसीना दिल मेरा छीना, तू है मेरा करार। दिल का रंग ये कैसा होगा, रब ही जाने यार।
प्यार बड़ा रंगीला है, रंग दिलों का मेला है। प्यार बड़ा रंगीला है, रंग दिलों का मेला है।
बड़ा रंगीला, बड़ा रंगीला है मेरा दिलदार, धड़के दिल बार बार।
मौसम बेईमान हुआ आज पहली बार, धड़के दिल बार बार। जाने क्या हुआ है, क्यों है जिया बेकरार, धड़के दिल बार बार। हाँ हाँ धड़के दिल बार बार।
नजर का आशिक, ये किसी के लबों का प्यासा, ये शरारत करे न माने, कहना न माने जरा सा। बातें आंखों से कह दे, ये कभी ना जुबान खोले, हो कभी जो हो दर्द कोई तन्हाई में जाके रो ले। आशिकाना ये दिल, आशिकाना ये दिल, आशिकाना ये दिल।
दिल जलों का है ये ठिकाना,
ये मोहब्बत का है दीवाना,
आके इसमें फिर तुम न जाना हो।
ये दिल आशिकाना ये दिल, आशिकाना ये दिल, आशिकाना ये दिल।
Have you ever stopped to listen? I mean, really listen. Beyond the noise of our daily lives, there's another world, a symphony that has been playing for millions of years. It is a concert performed on the grandest stage of all our planet, and its musicians are the masters of the sky, birds. Welcome to Wings of Eternity, where today we journey into the untold symphony of our feathered friends. From the highest mountain peaks to the densest urban jungles, birds are everywhere. They are so familiar that we often overlook just how extraordinary they are. Think about it. These are living dinosaurs, the direct descendants of theropods who survived the cataclysm that wiped out their giant relatives. They didn't just survive, they conquered the sky, evolving into an astonishing array of over 10,000 species. Let's start with the marvel of flight. It's not just about flapping wings, it's an intricate dance with physics. A bird's wing is an airfoil shaped to create lift. The feathers, masterpieces of natural engineering, are lightweight, yet incredibly strong, interlocking to form a solid surface on the downstroke and separating to reduce resistance on the upstroke. Consider the albatross, a true titan of the sky. It can glide for hours, even days, over the open ocean, barely flapping its wings. It uses a technique called dynamic soaring, masterfully harnessing the different wind speeds near the water's surface to gain energy. It's like a perpetual motion machine, powered by the wind itself. Then there's the hummingbird, the tiny acrobat of the avian world. Its wings beat up to 80 times per second, not just up and down, but in a figure-eight pattern. This allows it to hover, fly backward, and even upside down, a feat of aerial agility that helicopter engineers can only dream of. Each bird's flight style is a unique solution to the challenges of its environment, a testament to millions of years of refinement. But the symphony of birds isn't just visual, it's profoundly auditory. Birdsong is one of the most complex and beautiful sounds in nature. It's not just random chirping, it's language. Birds sing to defend their territory, to attract a mate, to warn of predators, and to communicate with their flock. Take the song of the nightingale. It's not a single, repeated melody. A male nightingale can have a repertoire of over 200 different phrases, which he combines and improvises, much like a jazz musician. A more extensive and complex song signals to a female that he is older, more experienced, and a better provider. And what about mimicry? The superb lyrebird of Australia is the ultimate impersonator. It can imitate the calls of dozens of other bird species, the bark of a dog, the whir of a chainsaw, and even a camera shutter. It weaves these sounds into its own elaborate song and dance routine. This isn't just for show, it's a display of incredible vocal learning and memory, another way to impress a potential partner with its cognitive prowess. The intelligence of birds is a field that's just beginning to unfold, and it is shattering old preconceptions. We've long used the term bird brain as an insult, but we couldn't be more wrong, corvids. The family that includes crows, ravens, and jays are the Einsteins of the avian world. The New Caledonian crow is a master toolmaker. In the wild, they fashion hooks from twigs to extract grubs from logs. In lab experiments, they've solved multi-step puzzles that would challenge a young child, like using a short stick to get a longer stick to reach a treat. And it's not just about tools. Western scrub jays plan for the future. They remember what kind of food they cached, where they cached it, and even when they cached it, they will recache their food if they know another bird was watching, showing a form of social intelligence known as theory of mind, the ability to understand another S perspective. They are playing a 4D chess game of survival, constantly planning and outsmarting their competition. Beyond their individual brilliance, birds are the great connectors of our world. Their migrations are epic journeys of endurance that stitch ecosystems together. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration. Each year, it travels from its breeding grounds in the Arctic all the way to the Antarctic and back again, a round trip of about 50,000 miles. Over its lifetime, it can travel the equivalent of flying to the moon and back 3 times. As they travel, these birds are not just passengers, they are gardeners and foresters. When a bird eats a fruit, it flies off and disperses the seed far away, often with a little package of fertilizer. Many of the world's forests were planted, seed by birds. They are also crucial pollinators. Hummingbirds, sunbirds, and honeyweeters dive into flowers for nectar, transferring pollen as they go, ensuring the reproduction of countless plant species. They are the lifeblood of their habitats, knitting the web of life together with every beat of their wings. The relationship between humans and birds is as old as our own species. We have looked to them as symbols of freedom, messengers of the gods, and omens of the seasons. We have been inspired by their flight to invent our own flying machines. We have been moved by their song to create our own music. They are woven into our culture, our art, and our mythology. But today, this ancient symphony is facing a threat. Habitat loss, climate change, and pollution are silencing birds around the world. Their populations are declining at an alarming rate. The vibrant chorus that has filled our planet's soundscape for eons is growing fainter. Losing them means losing more than just pretty songs and colors. It means losing critical pollinators, seed dispersers, and indicators of environmental health. When the birds fall silent, it's a warning that the entire ecosystem is in trouble. So, what can we do? It starts with paying attention. It starts with rediscovering our connection to this incredible world above our heads. Plant native flowers in your garden to support local bird populations. Put up a bird feeder or a bird bath. Reduce your use of pesticides. Support conservation organizations working to protect bird habitats. The next time you step outside, take a moment, pause, look up, listen. Listen for the whistle of a starling, the hoot of an owl, the trill of a sparrow. Each note is part of a grand, beautiful, and fragile symphony. It's a symphony that tells the story of life, of resilience, of beauty, and of connection. It is the untold symphony of birds, the wings of eternity. Let's make sure it never falls silent. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey today. If you are as fascinated by the world of birds as we are, please hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the wonders of the natural world. Let us know in the comments which bird amazes you the most. Until next time, keep looking up. Have you ever truly listened to the world around you? Not just heard it, but listened to the whisper of wind through ancient trees, the distant call of a lone wolf, the intricate symphony of a coral reef. These are the echoes of the wild, the timeless voices of nature's kingdoms. And today, we're going on a journey to listen in. Our adventure begins high in the soaring peaks of the Himalayas, the roof of the world. Here, life is a testament to resilience. Look there, a snow leopard, the ghost of the mountains, navigating the treacherous cliffs with an elegance that defies the harsh environment. It moves with a silent confidence, its thick coat a perfect camouflage against the snow-dusted rock. Every step is deliberate, every glance purposeful. This is a world of stark beauty, where survival is an art form, painted on a canvas of ice and stone. The air is thin, but life, tenacious and bold, finds a way. From the silent peaks, we descend into the vibrant, pulsating heart of the Amazon rainforest. It's a world teeming with sound and color. The air is thick with humidity and the chorus of millions of creatures. Listen, that's the guttural call of a howler monkey, a sound that can travel for miles, staking its claim in this dense green kingdom. Look up. A scarlet macaw, a living jewel, streaks across the canopy, its brilliant feathers a splash of crimson and blue against the endless green. Down below, a jaguar, the apex predator of this realm, pads silently through the undergrowth. Its rosette patterns are a masterpiece of natural camouflage, allowing it to become one with the shadows. The Amazon isn't just a collection of trees. It's a living, breathing superorganism, a complex web of life where every single thread, from the smallest leafcutter ant to the mighty jaguar, plays a crucial role. Now, let's plunge beneath the waves into a completely different kingdom, the Great Barrier Reef. The silence of the mountains and the cacophony of the jungle are replaced by a gentle, rhythmic pulse. It's a world of surreal beauty, bursting with colors that seem almost impossible. Schools of clownfish dart playfully among the waving tentacles of an anemone, their symbiotic dance a marvel of coevolution. A majestic sea turtle glides effortlessly through the water, an ancient mariner navigating these coral cities. The reef itself is a living structure built over millennia by tiny coral polyps. It's a bustling metropolis of the sea, providing shelter and sustenance for a quarter of all marine species. It's a fragile paradise, a vibrant kingdom that reminds us of the delicate balance that sustains life beneath the surface. Our journey now takes us to the vast, sun-drenched plains of the Serengeti in Africa. This is a land of epic scale, of endless horizons and dramatic seasonal shifts. The ground trembles with the thunder of hooves as the Great Migration unfolds. Millions of wildebeest, zebras and gazelles embark on a perilous journey, following the rains in a timeless cycle of survival. It's a spectacle of raw, untamed nature, a pride of lions, the undisputed rulers of this savanna, rests in the shade of an acacia tree, their golden eyes scanning the plains. They are a symbol of power and community, working together to thrive in this challenging landscape. On the horizon, a family of elephants moves with quiet dignity, their deep bonds and incredible intelligence evident in every interaction. The Serengeti is a stage for life's grandest drama, a kingdom of grass and sky where the struggle for existence is on full display every single day. Finally, we travel to the frozen expanse of the Arctic, a kingdom of ice and light. It may seem barren, but life here is uniquely adapted to the extreme cold. A polar bear, the magnificent monarch of the north, prowls the sea ice. Its survival is inextricably linked to the ice, its hunting ground for seals. Every ounce of its being is engineered for this environment, from its thick blubber to its powerful sense of smell. In the surreal glow of the aurora borealis, an Arctic fox, its coat a brilliant white, listens for the faintest sound of prey beneath the snow. Life in the Arctic is a story of incredible adaptation and endurance. It's a world of stark ethereal beauty, a fragile kingdom at the forefront of our changing climate, reminding us of the profound connection between all of Earth's ecosystems, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, from the densest jungles to the most open plains. We've journeyed through nature's magnificent kingdoms. Each one is a world unto itself, with its own rules, its own inhabitants, and its own unique story. But they are all connected. The health of the Amazon affects global weather patterns. The survival of the polar bear depends on the stability of our planet's climate. These echoes of the wild are not just beautiful sounds and sights, they are messages. They are a call to listen, to understand, and to protect. The wild is not separate from us. We are a part of it. Its echoes resonate within each of us, a reminder of our shared home and our shared responsibility to cherish it. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey. If you were moved by the beauty of our planet, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more adventures into the wild. Let us know in the comments which of nature's kingdoms you'd love to visit. Until next time, keep exploring and keep listening. In the vast, sun-drenched expanse of the African savanna, a kingdom rises and falls with the sun. This is the domain of the lion, an empire forged in strength, loyalty, and the unending struggle for survival. Our story begins with the Mapogo Pride, a dynasty whose name is whispered on the wind, a testament to their power. At their head is the old king, a magnificent male named Asut. His mane, a tapestry of gold and black, tells tales of countless battles won, of seasons of plenty and of drought. By his side are the lionesses, the true backbone of the pride. They are the hunters, the protectors, the mothers. Together, they are a formidable force, a family bound by blood and the harsh laws of the wild. Life in the pride follows an ancient rhythm. The first light of dawn paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, signaling the end of the night's hunt. The lionesses, led by the experienced matriarch Zola, returned to the den. Their hunt was successful, a wildebeest secured to feed the hungry mouths of the pride, the cubs. Bundles of spotted fur and boundless energy tumble out to greet them, their playful growls a stark contrast to the serious business of survival. For them, life is a game of pounce and chase, a lesson in skills they will one day need to master. Assad watches over his kingdom with a quiet, confident authority, his presence a shield against any who would dare challenge his reign. But the savannah is a place of constant change. Peace is a fragile commodity. On the horizon, a new threat emerges. Two brothers, young, ambitious, and powerful, have been driven from their own pride. They are nomads, wanderers with fire in their eyes and a hunger for territory. They catch the scent of the Mapogo pride, a kingdom ripe for the taking. Their roars echo through the twilight, a declaration of intent, a challenge that cannot be ignored. The serenity of Assad's kingdom is shattered. He knows this challenge is different. These are not opportunistic hyenas or a lone leopard. This is a calculated bid for his throne. The confrontation is inevitable. Assad, despite his age, meets the challenge head. The air crackles with tension as the old king faces the two younger, stronger rivals. It is a battle of epic proportions, a clash of generations. Dust and fur fly as roars of fury and pain rip through the silence of the plains. Assad fights with the heart of a true king, defending his family and his legacy. But the combined strength of the two brothers is overwhelming. The old king, battered and exhausted, is finally forced to retreat. Defeated, he melts back into the tall grass, a solitary figure leaving behind the only life he has ever known. The era of Assad is over. A new reign begins. The brothers, now the undisputed lords of the Mapogo pride, establish their dominance. The transition is brutal. They must secure their bloodline, and their first act is a difficult one to watch. Yet it is a fundamental law of the lion world. The lionesses, grieving for their lost king and the old order, face a difficult choice: accept the new rulers or risk the destruction of the pride. Zola, ever the pragmatist, knows that resistance is futile. For the good of the pride, for the survival of the remaining members, they must submit. The pride's dynamic shifts, the air thick with an uneasy truce as they adapt to their new kings. Months pass, the savannah cycles through its seasons of rain and drought. Under the new kings, the pride begins to stabilize. The lionesses, skilled and resilient, continue to hunt with deadly efficiency. Their cooperation ensuring the pride is fed. Soon, a new generation of cubs is born, their lineage tied to the new kings. These tiny newcomers represent a fresh start, a symbol of hope and continuity. The brothers, once ruthless invaders, now display a different side. They are protectors, guarding their territory fiercely and showing surprising tenderness towards their own offspring. They have earned their place, not just through force, but by embracing the responsibilities of leadership. The life of the pride is a testament to the unyielding spirit of the wild. It's a world of breathtaking beauty and stark reality where every day is a fight for life. The story of the Mapogo Pride is not just about one king or one family. It's the story of all lions. It's a continuous cycle of birth, struggle, and rebirth. Power is temporary, but the bloodline, the legacy endures. The sun sets once more, casting long shadows across the plains. The roars of the new kings echo into the night, a powerful reminder that in this vast kingdom, the reign of the lion continues, as it has for millennia, and as it will for millennia to come. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the heart of the lion's kingdom. The lives of these magnificent animals are filled with drama, courage, and an unbreakable will to survive. If you are moved by their story and want to see more incredible wildlife content, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel /Nature Soundscape and hit that notification bell. Your support helps us continue to bring the wonders of the natural world directly to you.